going on, everybody? The car is coming a lot farther than I expected in the time frame given. I just got another box in, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys exactly what I got. First out of the box, so I ordered a clutch line. This is a auto to manual conversion clutch line. It's by, I believe it's by AP, Agency Power. It's from Amazon, it was like 50 bucks. Got this in, but come to find out that this actually was not the only thing in the box. They sent me a bunch of couplers. I'm not sure why. Oh yeah, got 3. A bunch of couplers, different sizes for different hoses. This one's kind of jagged, this one's bigger, smaller. They also sent me link pins, I highly doubt it. But anyways, they're really nice quality. And also I got even a shorty antenna with instructions on how to install it all. I was pretty surprised, to say the least, I got all this. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install your clutch line on your 240. And then from there, maybe I'll figure out what these are later. But here we go. Forgot also, I did get the right battery. See, this is the positive terminal. It's supposed to be on this side. That's why this wire here is so stretched. So we'll go ahead and just loosen this terminal. This battery was just for, to see if it ran purposes when I first got it. You see, it's much larger than the old one. A lot larger. So you're gonna pull off your little cap. Now this wire can go back in its correct spot finally. Crank this one down. The only bad thing about this spot is where the hose goes down. It's kind of hard to get to because you got to put it on the transmission first on the slave, because this end of it actually does not spin. You can see it does not spin. So this has to go inside of the slave first, and then you route the cable up onto the master. So we're gonna go ahead and install this part first, get it locked down tight, fish the cable up this way so that we can get it installed on the master. All right, so I got that all installed. I'll show you guys exactly where the line goes into the slave at. And see here, there's a little red grommet popping out. If it's used, you already have a line in there, but anyways, that's the hole where the line's gonna go in at, and then basically just spit it, and it'll go right in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll route the line up on the body. I heard a really loud bang outside. I go to look and there's another accident in the same spot. We probably see, I don't know, 1 or 2 here a week. Honestly, it's ridiculous. People just don't know how to drive. I'll show you guys what happened. Look at an undercover unit. Alright, that's enough accident stuff for me. I'm gonna get back in the garage of my comfort zone and keep working on this 240. Don't want to get too distracted. Before I forget also, so here's a little copper gasket. I believe there's supposed to be one on there because it's indented on the slave. So I just found my box, so I'm gonna throw it on there and then retighten it, lower the car down, and then reinstall the hose. Must be something serious. They have another fire truck, 2 more police cars, and an ambulance. Alright, it's all installed. I'm gonna loosen this bolt up and just straighten out this line quick before I go any farther. So I got my shifter in. It's just a pretty simple shifter. There's a bushing in the bottom to go inside of the trans, whatever. So the shifter, I gotta get it up in there now. It has 6 bolts that hold it down. You can see there's 3 on each side. Over here on the car, we got 1, 2, and there's 2. Let me see right here. 1 there, and then 1 over there. Might have to lower the trans down, lower this down at an angle to get to the top bolts. I'm not sure, I might be able to get them in the car, honestly. I'm gonna try down here first. If this does not work, then I will lower the car down. Just got the shifter out. It's a nice blank hole down there. I could have filled all the fluid from there the whole time. This is the old one. It's got a gasket on it and some kind of ring. I think probably for the old shifter.
It's all bushing.
Bushing, yep. So this is the new one right here. It's gonna go in, get some RTV, gonna lay it on the shifter and bolt it down, get it installed, and gotta go probably buy a ball tomorrow or order one. So apparently the shifter I bought does not work. 5 out of the 6 holes do fit, but you can see this one here and then up there. So I gotta make that one basically on there and then just have an extra hole. That's not worried about it. We got Josh up there trying to get this hillbilly shifter in. He's over here helping. Jordan just hands in his pockets like a dad.
Why is the
Typical dad.
up in the air?
Huh?
These young pups should be up here. And they got the old man up here doing this stupid shit.
Don't worry, we closed the doors for you so you're nervous.
I can still see through the bottom of the car.
There may be a hole in the car.
Closer than 10.
I'm gonna put this little doodad into there. Grab your air hose. You see all the foam? That is all air in your line. Should be nice and solid.
Isn't everything new?
Yeah.
I guess I've seen worse.
Yeah. It's a little brown. Well, the shifter definitely will not work. We got the plastic out. Thanks to this ugly dude over here. He went to dentist school, so he drilled it out.
He is the big ugly grandfather. We've come to terms with that.
Yes.
He's ugly Jesus. He got the beard going on.
Ugly Jesus. Can we get that shirt made for Sunday? Ugly Jesus?
But have like the little hash thing, so it says Jesus.
Mm-hmm.
As far as the clutch goes, we're just gonna turn this off right here and yeah. I feel the same way. It's full of fluid. They're on this handy dandy little cover. And this is gonna end the episode. The shifter was a no-go. The clutch is somewhat bled. We got a lot of little hoses and stuff all done. Got the battery in. We got Jesus, Josh over here helping us out. Hey. And Jordan is carrying his feezies. About to go home now. But don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Big Uglies YouTube and Big Uglies Garage on Facebook. Check out the merch. Until next time.